I've just been moved over to room 1 at Ivory Lodge, and the main door enters onto this veranda with the two parts of the suite on either side. And looking out from here, you can barely see in the distance, there are some elephants just chilling out, doing their elephant thing right across the way. There's a private plunge pool, which I've got to say is just not nearly as cool as the elephants. Did I mention there were elephants? Yeah, elephants. In here is the bedroom with a window that looks out onto the elephants. Nice little day bed. The mosquito netting. The open plan bathroom with the outdoor shower. Some elephants are trumpeting and bellowing. Oh my. What is going on? They're running. I can't zoom on this camera, or I'd totally be finding out what is freaking out the elephants. But I'm thinking I should go inside. I don't know why I suddenly think that a glass door is going to protect me from whatever is scaring an elephant.